Hey there everyone, welcome back to playgroundequipment.com. My name is Sergio Hernandez and today we're diving into the nitty-gritty of our playground delivery guide. Ready to put your hard hat on? Let's dive in. Shipping basics. At playgroundequipment.com, we take pride in our global presence, ensuring playgrounds reach destinations far and wide. Our customer service reps are seasoned pros, handling various situations daily. Now, let's talk about the heart of it all. For our quick ship structures, we've got 28 popular designs in stock, available in 2 color palettes, which are neutral or primary. Quick ship structures usually ship within 1 to 2 weeks. If you're opting for a custom structure tailored to your preferences, expected to ship within 6 to 8 weeks. What to look for? Before your playground arrives, here's what you need to know. Expect a large open air crate filled with lots of parts. It's a team effort. Have a couple of friends ready for a team lift unload. Remember, it's your responsibility to unload and properly store the order. If you've opted for a professional installation, check our installation guide. Before the driver departs, check the shipping sticker, inspect for any damage, and photograph the crate from all angles. Note any damage on the delivery receipt with the driver. After the driver departs, report any damages immediately. Check the contents against the packing list and report any missing pieces within 72 hours. Failure to report may result in denial of a claim, so be vigilant. Shipping policies. The carrier will contact you within 24 hours of freight delivery. Remember, failure to report damage or missing parts may result in denial of a claim. It's crucial to inspect the delivery for any signs of damage, and it's on you to unload, store, count the contents, and report any damage or missing parts within 72 hours. Let's work together to keep your playground dreams intact. Storage fee policies. Effective March 1st, 2023, we implemented storage fees. If your order has been in our warehouse for 30 days without shipping, storage fees of $100 per crate/pallet per business day kick in. Whether it's a delay on your end, rescheduling carrier issues, or a return, storage fees apply. Stay on top of your shipping schedule to avoid any extra costs. And that's a wrap for our playground delivery guide. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, I am Sergio Hernandez with playgroundequipment.com. Play safe and of course play happy.